everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is my Lost Kitties because I'm brave of my checkup. Let's see. It's sorry, I need to post it. Oh, sorry. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. We don't need this anymore. Let's add it here. So, oops, sorry guys. So, oops, sorry. Yeah. So guys, this is what it looks like. Let me open it. Oh, I did something like Play-Doh. Let's open the guide. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, sorry. Guys. Ta-da! And these are it. Alright, let's get that messy. Watch out of your hands, guys. Here to this moment. Whoa. Oh. Wait, guys. I think I need to cool it down a little bit. Meanwhile, but first we're going to be at this. So the guide is this. First, this is a little. In the front, it's a poster. See, we can see a party of Lost Kitties. The other side, you see these guys? They're so cute. Alright, wait a minute, guys. Oops, sorry, you don't to see me. You like to see me so much. The Lost Kitties are hiding on this. So don't worry. Let's add it back first because I don't like sticky clay. Alright, so let me, wait a minute. Just let me, alright. I'm going to, wait a second. So, I can't hold this back to it. There. So, later I'm going to wash my hands. And it's not fake. Yes, deeper of this spray. Oh yes, I found one thing, even if it's so sticky. I need to fold everything up until everything turns to good clay. Get out! Sorry guys, I think this is so sticky. Mommy, can you help me? Not a good job. At least I found something. Oh. Oh, I can see it. Anyways, it's so safe. Guys, everything is alright. I can take that baggie out. Sorry guys, the look at the box now, we get so sticky. Mommy, make this to a good clay. I just made so much effort. That's why turns good with slime and clay turns good with clay. My hands are getting tired while mowing. Maybe most of you doesn't want to play Lost Kitties. I wish that this is not the result in Philippines. So guys, come out. And does it turn as one as I thought? Come out. Look. Mommy, can you help me? Can you help me? Guys, my hands are already clear. So let's open this. I think I like to open this. But I like to leave the thing like this, so I can just don't add it and only add it like this. Let me add it back here. Yes, it's there. Alright guys, let's open this. Ta-da! Oops. Alright, guys. Alright. Alright, let me open this side. Wait for a second. It's the viewers. Oh, found it. She's the very last one. The very last one. I'm going to check it with my incredible. See, doing this. I buy this in Festival Mall in Blue Magic. Check. Alright. Bye-bye. I hope you like today's episode. Don't forget to like,